Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to look at the simultaneous equation. So how can we solve the simultaneous? So the only thing that we're going to do here, we will rewrite our two equations and name it equation 1, and also rewrite the second one and name it equation 2. So now you are here, you are checking which equation is the easiest one by making either y or x the subject of the formula. So by doing that, you only need to check the coefficient of x or y. It must be 1. So here, when you check the coefficients of y and x, the coefficient of x is 2, so here the coefficient of y is 1. So this one is the simple one, then we can take it and solve it. So here you can say from equation 1, which is y minus y plus 2x is equals to 3. So then, to make the y the subject of the formula, you must take this positive 2x to this side. So it's gonna get 3, and so it's gonna get 3, and change the sign to be negative 2x. Then rename it equation number 3. So now here we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So equation 2 says y squared minus y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x. So now the only thing that we're going to do here is to substitute. Wherever we see y, we substitute it by 3 minus 2x. So it's gonna be 3 minus 2x here squared minus, instead of y we will put 3 minus 2x is equals to 3x squared minus 5x. So here we're gonna write it like this. So here we are removing the bracket. So it's gonna 3 times 3 is gonna be 9. 3 times negative 2 is gonna be negative 6. Here negative 2 times 3 is gonna be negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 2x is gonna be negative 2x times negative 2x is gonna be positive 4x squared. Here negative times 3 is gonna be negative 3. Here negative times negative 2x is gonna be positive 2x. So here is gonna be 3x squared minus 5x. So now we are grouping out like terms. So here it's gonna be 9 minus 6 and minus 6. When you add them, they're going to give you minus 12x. So here positive 4x squared minus 3 plus 2x is equals to 3x squared minus 5x. So here positive 9 minus 3 is gonna be 6. So negative 12 plus negative 12x plus 2x gonna be negative 10x plus 4x squared. Here is gonna be 3x squared minus 5x. So let's take this thing to this side. So it's gonna be 6 minus 10x plus 4x squared. Take this to this side, is gonna be negative 3x squared. This into this side is gonna be plus 5x. Here we're going to be left with 0. So here we're grouping like times this 6. It goes alone, it doesn't have a partner here. So negative 10x plus 5 is going to be negative 5x. 4x squared minus 3x squared is going to be positive x squared equals to 0. So let us factorize it. This is 5. So let us factorize this. So let us factorize this. It's gonna be, we open bracket. We are going to open 2 brackets here. So it's gonna be x and x. So the factors of 6 that they are going to give us minus 5 when we add them. Okay, let's write them down. It's gonna be x, and the x factors of 6 is gonna be 3 and 2. So x times 2 is gonna be 2x. X times 3 is gonna be 3x. So are we getting a negative 5? Yes, we can. But this must be negative, and also this must be negative. So we have to put negative here and negative here, so that when you multiply, it will be like x times negative 2 is negative 2x, and the x times negative 3 is going to be negative 3x. So, and also these values and these signs are giving us these equations. So here just take this and paste it here, and also take this and paste it here. Oh, sorry, it's gonna be 2 minus 2. So solve for x. Take each bracket to be equals to 0, or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here, when you take minus 3 to this side, it's going to be positive 3. When you take minus 2 to this side, it's going to be positive 2. Okay. So here, we still continue, since we got the values of x. So now we need to get the values of y. So now we are going to equation number. Let's just take equation number 3 instead of equation number 1. Equation number 3, it says y is equals to 3 minus 2x. Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So we are going to substitute in the space of x. We're going to put 2, and in the space in the space of x, we're still gonna put 3. So let us substitute here. We're going to substitute x by 2. So it's gonna be 3. So 2 times 2 is gonna be 4. So here 3 minus 4 is gonna be negative 1. And also since we got the two values of x, so here we must also get the two values of y. So here 3 in the space of x, here we are going to put a 3. So negative 2 times 3 is going to be negative 6, then 3 minus 6 is going to be negative 3. So you are done. I hope you enjoy this, guys. So see you on the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you.